Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my presentation. This is Abir Arfin. I'm in class 6. The name of my school is Chokoria Grammar School. Now I'm going to present about my loving country, Bangladesh. The name of my country is People's Republic of Bangladesh. It declared independence on 26 March 1971. It became free from Pakistan on 16 December 1971 after a 9 months long bloody war. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Bangladesh is a low-lying country in Southeast Asia. The country is surrounded on the west, north and east by India territories. The borders on Myanmar are on the southeast. The Bay of Bengal lies on the south. The land area of Bangladesh is 147,570 square kilometers. About 170 million people live in this small country. It is a democratic country with many kinds of people. They follow different religions and costumes. Most of them are Muslims. All these people are free and have equal rights. Some people of these basic rights are the right to food, health, shelter and education. It is not easy for everyone to have these basic rights because they are expensive. People here speak in Bangla. Bangla is our state's language. In our country, men wear pant, shirt, pajama, Punjabi, lungi, etc. Men mainly wear shari and salwar kameez. Bangladesh is a land of rivers. There are many big and small rivers. The Padma, the Meghna, the Jamuna are the big and wide rivers. The Buriganga, the Shitalaka, the Dholeshwari, the Tista, the Madhumati, the Gomati, and the Karnafuli are small rivers. The rivers are the source of our wealth. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. The prosperity of agriculture depends on the rivers. The rivers have made the soil fertile. Our river abound with different kinds of fishes. Fish is our main item of food. Season is one of the divisions of year according to weather. Bangladesh is blessed with 6 seasons. They are the summer, the rainy season, the autumn, the late autumn, the winter and the spring. Based on the seasons, different kinds of fruits, vegetables and crops are cultivated here. Mango, jackfruit, guava, etc. are our seasonal fruits. Hilsha is the national fish of our country. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of our country, and rice and fish is the national food of our country. The national bird of our country is duel. Hadudu is the national game of our country, but cricket is most popular game. Kazi Nazrul Islam is the national poet of our country. He is well known as the rebel poet in Bengali literature. Bangladesh has many interesting places, the Sundarban, Rangamati and Cox's Bazar. Very attractive. Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world. Sundarban famous for Royal Bengal tiger. So every year many visitors from different parts of world visits these places every year. I'm always ready to die for the good of my motherland. That's all. Thank you for your patience and enjoying my presentation.